All right. These are the elevators at the Norwalk Hospital in Norwalk, Connecticut. Let's go and start down here. It's this one right over here.
Down to the third floor.
Let's go down to one first.
Third.
Let's go down to 3 first. Junior. Junior.
What do you think of that?
Oh, that's a good name.
Oh, main lobby there.
That's right over here. Now, which one is? I don't see it. Isn't it? This way. Those are more elevators right down there. Sorry, I can't ride them.
Is it putting your finger?
Which aisle one?
I'm so fast.
How many elevator videos do you have so far?
I have like
This hospital has
many
a lot of elevators.
elevators.
This hospital has a lot of elevators.
This is a lot
So there's
of elevator views.
so many elevators. You see cardiology? That's where Diana works.
The gastroenterology.
Nuclear medicine is where they do testing. I work here. And my office is right there.
Okay.
You want to see my office?
Oh yes. Sorry.
Why is this for me?
Okay. Your office is right over there. I'm sorry, my voice is not that good right now because I have sore throat.
See that? Look at the heart. You see the heart?
And
You
this
see
is
Diana's
the
name?
office. I want to
See
show
Diana's
you.
name there?
There's all of your video
And
pictures.
look at Diana's name. Hello? Okay, we gotta go. We gotta go. See
Actually,
Diana's name? You wanna see Diana's name?
that is Dr. Granite Vaselli. What's true, I believe.
You still have the little heart? And I do procedures all the way in the back. You see that room? That's where we do the procedures.
Now,
It's a big video, oh my god. So we're gonna go
Oh,
here.
it is long videos.
Oh,
let's go.
that's like a movie.
It's a 30-minute video.
Who watches that?
A lot of people.
Okay, we're going to cafeteria now.
There's more out.
It's on the fifth floor. You
Okay.
wanna press the button to go to the fifth floor?
Yep. Oh. Oops.
Fifth floor, please.
What is business hours?
Business hours. Visiting hours. Visiting hours are 8 to 8.
So,
8 to 8. So I actually come here sometime on the fifth floor. But you see this building?
Because it's down. Now let's go and see the cafeteria. Where the
Latin scheme is all
I'm gonna show you the cafeteria.
You guys want some snack?
We have over here. There it is. And there's some drinks over here. Okay. There's some sitting areas. And there's an ice cream. Okay. Okay. Now, looks like this video is getting kind of busy right now. Alright, now that's it.